Chapter 12. Friction. Friction. If you roll a ball on the floor, it will stop after some time. This shows that some force must be acting on the ball, which makes the ball slows down. This force is called friction. If you push a book placed on the table towards right side, it will move some distance towards right and then stops on its own. It is because the force of friction is acting on it in the opposite direction, which is opposing its motion. When you push a heavy box, it does not move easily because the friction prevents the box from moving. To make the box move, you have to keep pushing it with a greater force to overcome the force of friction. What causes friction? You know that the friction is a contact force which acts when one surface moves over another surface. There are very small irregularities in the form of grooves and ridges between two surfaces in contact. When one surface moves over another, these grooves and ridges get caught up and slow down the motion. This causes friction. Factors affecting friction. When you and your friend roll two identical rubber balls on a rough surface and smooth surface, respectively, you will observe that the ball rolling on the rough surface stops earlier. It is because the rough surface has large number of irregularities that causes more friction between the ball and floor. Now replace one of the rubber balls with a metal ball of same dimension and roll them. You will observe that the metal ball slows down and stops earlier. It is because the interlocking between the metal ball and surface becomes stronger, resulting in greater force of friction. Friction in daily life. The friction between the ground and our foot helps us to grip the ground with one foot and put the other foot forward. It enables us to walk. Vehicles such as cars and buses move safely on the road because of the friction between the shredded tires and the surface of the road. The friction between the pen and paper enables us to write. A nail can be hammered into a block of wood due to friction between the nail and the wood. Brakes of vehicles work due to friction